Hello, I'm Julian Kawohl, founder of Ecosystemizer and co-author of Ecosystemize Your Business. And today, I want to take you on a journey into the future of technology. And it's closer to us than we might think. We've all seen the rise of smartphones and tablets. But what if the next major platform shift doesn't start in your pocket, but right in front of your eyes? I'm talking about AI-powered smart glasses. These devices aren't just cool tech toys. They could fundamentally change how we interact with information, with machines, and ultimately with the world. And in this video, we will explore why AI glasses are poised to become a central trend in 2026, who's leading this revolution and what it means for business, especially in Europe. By the end of this video, you will understand why these devices are more than a gadget. They could define the next ecosystem of human-computer interaction. So let's start with the technology itself. Unlike traditional devices, AI glasses are designed to overlay digital intelligence onto our real-world perception. Instead of constantly looking down at a phone or screen, your attention remains in the real world, with AI seamlessly augmenting it. And the real breakthrough here is what's called on-device inference. This means that AI computations happen directly on the glasses without having to constantly upload data to the cloud. So practically spoken, this allows glasses to perform real-time tasks, translating a menu in a foreign language instantly, recognizing objects or parts in a factory, or supplementing conversations with context or data, all without lag or battery drain. Another important innovation is waveguides, which project digital information directly into the user's field of view. Unlike bulky VR headsets, these glasses are transparent, lightweight, and designed for everyday use. Imagine walking through a city and receiving real-time directions, product information, or meeting notes without ever pulling out your phone. Now let's talk about the market. Right now, Meta is leading with its Ray-Ban AI glasses, already being sold at scale. Google is working on a second attempt after the original Google Glass, and Apple is preparing a launch likely around 2027. But the story doesn't stop with these tech giants. European companies are entering the field as well. For instance, Deutsche Telekom is showing its own AI glasses, powered by Ray-Neo, a TCL subsidiary, and integrated into their Magenta AI platform. And strategically, this isn't just a marketing stunt. For telco operators, the game is shifting from pure connectivity to controlling the interface between humans and AI. And whoever manages the operating system of perception will control a crucial channel to customers, a fundamental shift in how value is created. And this brings us to a broader point: the implications for Europe and for business ecosystems. Investing in AI glasses isn't just about hardware. It's about building ecosystems of models, chips, software and services. And it requires billions of investment, strategic patience, and long-term vision. But those who succeed will own a key layer of the future digital economy. And this is where ecosystems matter. Companies cannot succeed in isolation. Meta, Google, Apple, and others are building entire ecosystems around their devices, applications, AI assistants, cloud services, and hardware that work together. European players, if they want to compete, must think in ecosystem terms, not just as hardware vendors or network providers, but as orchestrators of a full platform. And the exciting part is that the next platform revolution may not start with a smartphone launch. It could begin with a glasses frame, a small device that sits on your face but has the potential to reshape how we access, process, and interact with information. And this is not a distant future. It's happening now. And if this video helped you understand why AI glasses could be the next major platform shift. And why thinking in ecosystems is crucial for businesses today, please hit the like button and subscribe to the Ecosystemizer channel. And we will continue exploring how technology, AI and ecosystems intersect to create new opportunities for businesses and innovators. So keep innovating and see you in the next video.